Need some help with that?
Whoa, a talking frog? Yes, please, this is hard. All right, let's see.
That's a good drawing of me.
You can see it? Wow.
Of course, keep going.
Okay.
Hello, young one.
Whoa, you can talk?
Of course, rainy days are perfect for adventures.
Really? Let's go.
Stories are alive.
Wow, it's magic.
Of course. Watch this.
Whoa, it's spinning.
Pretty cool, huh? Watch this, young one.
Wow, what is it?
A symbol of power.
It's flying to me.
Indeed. Catch it.
Aha, that's it. Here we go. It's working.
Whoa, it was so weird. It was like a giant swirling vortex, and it just kept spinning faster and faster.
The rain won't wash this away. Where were you?
I told you I was home.
Anyone with you? Heroes are made not by strength, but by courage.
I understand. I will be courageous.
You can't escape me, Cal.
What do you want from me?
Your fear gives me strength. Run! Now!
What is that thing?
Just run! Don't look back!
I won't let you!
You cannot stop the R game.
We'll see about that!
Kel!
You won't take me!
I promise I'll fix this.
How can you be sure?
Trust me, I do.
Dilly smiles and says to your place.
Thank you, everyone. It means a lot.
Hooray for Cal!
Wow, thank you, everyone. This is the best.